girl Benny, and today I'm so hyped because your girl is trying to be consistent. Okay, I gave you guys videos of tacos. It was delicious. Okay, so now today we're gonna be making some pasta. When I tell you, I imagined this in my head and I was like, maybe we can do a little something, you know, just a little something for the kid. And when I tell you, I'm so excited because it actually made sense. You know how you imagine certain things in your mind and then it just doesn't translate. This was not the case, you guys. I really love how the pasta came out. And if you're excited for this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And let me start talking. Let's get into this pasta. The pasta was so good. It was so creamy. It was literally everything I imagined it to be. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. And please go ahead and follow me on all of the platforms. It is Benny's Take on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, and all of the things. It's just Benny's Take. So definitely check me out there as I post a lot of content, particularly on IG. I do post a lot of content, and I would love for you guys to join me on there as well. So I will see you on the next one. Bye, Z's.